Good evening, everyone. Today we are talking about ChatGPT and users hit with error messages and how to fix a ChatGPT network error code. So we are starting. ChatGPT is failing to deliver responses for many users, with OpenAI admitting the chatbot is once again struggling. Users making requests on the chatbot are saying, something seems to have gone wrong. Messages are also getting all the time, and it's happening more often than in past. And also, I'm getting the secondary message stating there was an error generating a response. And something like this. ChatGPT is not responding to many users' requests. The problem are affecting both the ChatGPT service and customers who use an API to run GPT-based chatbots of their own. The OpenAI status page states that there is an elevated error rate impacting ChatGPT, which could also lead to problems logging in to the service. The company says it's continuing to investigate this issue at the time of writing. Oh, here we have elevating errors rate impacting ChatGPT, including logins. It's the second time in 2 days the company has reported problems with an elevated rate of error messages. Yesterday, the company claimed a fix has been implemented before later stating that its team was monitoring error rates closely and we are continuing to work on a fix for this issue, they said. Once again, today the company claimed to have fixed the issue before once again stating it was investigating the problem. OpenAI status updates suggest it's an niggling issue. ChatGPT experienced similar problem last month when the service was unresponsive for a period of almost 3 hours according to OpenAI status dashboard. In November, for example, the service was reportedly hit by a denied of service attack from a malware group calling itself Anonymous Sudan. A denial of service attack typically floods the service with so many requests that the service become overwhelmed. So let's figure out how to fix a ChatGPT network error code or how to try at least minimize those error messages. Why does ChatGPT return an error message? Aside from the heavy traffic chat OpenAI is struggling to keep up with, there are several common reasons why ChatGPT displays an error message. Like this, for example, you might have an unstable internet connection. At least you can try turn on and turn off the internet one more time, etc. Or or reboot your laptop. The user prompt is too long. Yeah, the second option, this can cause ChatGPT to jib out. Third option is an issue with users with VPN-enabled browsers, virtual private networks, and the fourth, ChatGPT server's backend issues, which also can be. Fair note, we'll guide to you through some quick fixes to get you back up and chatting soon enough. And if you are interested in an AI for your personal or private or business purpose, stay on my channel, subscribe, and like and comment this video. So how to fix ChatGPT network error? We know a few of the problems that cause ChatGPT to display the dreaded error message. So what can you do about it? Don't ask for really long responses, ChatGPT. Oh, yes. I used to ask him so big. I'm putting a very big input. into ChatGPT. No one likes whitelying on all day about one subject unless it's your job. Wait, what? And ChatGPT is no different. If you ask complicated queries, there are verbose and complex, you're likely to get a long response or an error more often than not. While there is no official character limit for ChatGPT, users have reported error messages occurring more frequently between 500 and 1000 words. So it's best to keep prompts below this threshold to reduce errors. This doesn't mean you can't ask for longer responses, but to avoid problems, try these tips. For example, this tip. But let's start from the beginning. First of all, break your query down into smaller chunks. Secondly, ask ChatGPT to answer specific portions of long-form queries. Ask ChatGPT to give you a shorter response. Less than 500 words or summarize a piece of text would be ideal. Ask your main query, then ask ChatGPT a follow-up question separately to explain the point further. Ask ChatGPT to show the first 30, 40 or 50 lines of its response, then ask for more. Here is a summary of how to structure a good prompt to make things clear between you and the AI chatbot. So you can look at this picture. You can take also a screenshot. Second thing, you can refresh your page. Of course, your previous input can disappear, but refreshing page can help you minimize the error messages. It sounds almost too simple, but it might just cure it. Hit the circular arrow in the top left of your browser and see if it does the trick. What you are doing here is resetting ChatGPT's backend servers. The only annoyance is that you lose your current prompt when starting a new chatbot session. So copy your prompt before you start to reload the page. It's a good option. The third one, check OpenAI's chatbot server status. Oh, it's interesting how to do that. Speaking about backend servers, head over to OpenAI's official server status page at https status.openai.com. This will tell you exactly the current status of ChatGPT and if there are any internal server errors. Unfortunately, should you be unlucky enough to encounter an outage, all you can do is wait for OpenAI to fix it and come back later. Because ChatGPT is still technically in a testing phase, it's entirely normal for disruption to occur. Check your network connection speed. Another reasons for receiving a ChatGPT error code could be a poor internet connectivity. Checking your speed is a piece of cake. Just head over to the website speedtest.net. I will put all the useful link in the description under this video and hit go. Yeah, go to the site and hit go. Visit them. The more of it you have, the more sluggish your browser can get. This can affect applications like ChatGPT from running smoothly. A simple method to fix ChatGPT and network error is to clear your cache and browsing history. We tried this on Google Chrome, but other browsers follow a similar process. Click the three dots in the top right of your window and select Settings. Select the Privacy and Security section and choose Clear Browsing Data from the menu. Select which elements you want to clear: browsing cookies and cached, images and files. Make sure to deselect passwords further down, else you will lose them. Point, disable your VPN. VPNs are popular for redirecting internet traffic through the private server, but they can cause issues when interacting with ChatGPT. Users do report a higher frequency of error messages when using a VPN, so it's worth switching yours off to see if that helps. In some circumstances, ChatGPT might flag your IP address for repeatedly trying to access its servers, in which case you might want to try connecting your VPN to a different server and see if it works instead. Curious about how GPT works? Um, I will probably record a video about it. So we can also report the issue directly to OpenAI. So we can report straight to the source at OpenAI, head over to their help center at help.openai.com and select the chat icon in the bottom right hand corner of your screen. This will open a window where you can select the images section in the middle. Click send a message and away you go. Due to exceeding demand, you might find that an AI representative is unavailable at the time, but it does say when you can expect them to come back online, for example, in 30 minutes. Fixing ChatGPT's network error. Uh, how to fix that? I hope I'm asked a little bit on your questions, but we are continuing. Getting served an error message when you are trying out ChatGPT, yes, it's frustrating, especially when it's with the internet's hottest property. Hopefully, by following the steps I'd told before, you can fix ChatGPT's issues and get back online in no time. Um, if all the above mentioned solutions, what I told previously, there is an option to upgrade to ChatGPT Plus. A paid membership option will be exploring in another video. But I have paid version of ChatGPT, but it also send me error messages. So I think we can wrap up for today. I think it was useful video. Thank you for staying with me and see you next video. Bye.